Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to install Typing Master in your Windows 10 PC. Okay, let's start video. Open browser, type here www.typingmaster.com. Now hit enter. Now click on this first link, Typing Master. Okay, click on this. This is our Typing Master 11W typing speed. Now click on download for Typing Master software. Now file is downloaded. Now click on downloaded file. Select setup installation mode. Install for all user recommended or install for only me. I am selecting here install for all user recommended. Okay, click on this. Select setup language. Click on OK. Welcome to Typing Master 11 Setup Wizard. Okay. Now click on next. This is our license agreement. Now select here I accept the agreement. Now click on next. Here is the option to install Opera. I need to install Opera. Select no thanks. Continue without installing. Okay. Now click on next. Destination location. Okay. Now click on next and leave this as it is here. Typing master. Yet. Click on next. There is the option to select start menu folder. Change your location. Okay. To continue, click next. If you like to select a different folder, click browse. Select here. Okay, there is the option to browse and change location and leave as it is. Click on next. Ready to install. Now click on install. Let's take a time. Now completing the Typing Master 11 setup wizard. Okay, this is starting Typing Master. Select for start. Click on finish. Now see, this is our Typing Master interface. Enter your name here and you click on enter. Use Typing Master. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.